Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Thodi and I am today discuss about FCFF valuation model. Definition of FCFF valuation model. It is essential the cash flow generated through business operations after capital expenses and operating expenses are paid off. What is free cash flow to the firm? FCFF presented the amount of cash flow from operations available for distribution after accounting for depreciation, expenses, tax, working capital and investment. FCFF is a measurement of a company profitability after all expenses and reinvestment. It is one of the many benchmark used to compare and analyze a firm's financial health. Understanding free cash flow to the firm. FCFF presented the cash available to the investor after a company pays all its business cost, invest in current asset, example inventory, and invest in long term asset like equipment. FCFF include bondholders and stockholders as beneficiary when considering the money left over for investor. Calculating formula FCFF. FCFF equal NI plus NE plus 1 multiply NE plus I multiply 1 minus TR minus LI minus IWC. NI equal net income. NC non-cash charge. I equal interest. TR tax rate. LI long term investment. IWC investment in working capital. Cash flow to firm formula. First one, formula with EBIT. Formula with EBIT. In this method of FCFF, formula uses FCFF equal EBIT multiply in a bracket 1 minus tax rate bracket close plus non-cash charge plus charge in working capital minus capital expenditure. Second one, formula with net income. FCFF equal net income plus depreciation and amortization plus interest multiply in a bracket 1 minus tax bracket close plus changes in working capital minus capital expenditure. Notably, one can easily compute the change in working capital by referring to its current year's balance sheet. Third, formula with EBITDA. FCFF equal EBITDA multiply in a bracket 1 minus tax rate bracket close plus depreciation amortization multiply tax rate plus changes in working capital minus capital expenditure. Importance of cash flow to the firm. First, unlike EPS, FCFF cannot be tweaked by the management. This makes it relatively a more reliable measure of a company's operational performance. Second, increasing FCFF is considered to be an excellent indication of future profit. It in turn helps growth oriented investors to identify firms which intend to expand their core business and bring the more profit. Third, FCFF also help to ascertain if a company pays off dividend or not. Also, it helps to evaluate if a company is paying a dividend as per its capability or not. Fourth, being an indicators of a dividend paying company, free cash flow for the firm prove useful for investors who are looking for a company that yields regular dividend. Difference between FCFF and cash flow. FCFF definition: it is essentially the cash flow generated through business operations after capital expenses and operating expenses are paid off. And cash flow definition: it is the net cash and cash equivalent which is following in and out of a company. Significance: FCFF, it highlights the proficiency of a company to pay and pay off its debt and shareholders. FCFF indicates favorable growth and reinvestment prospect. Significance of cash flow: a positive cash flow suggests a hike in company's liquid asset and a higher capability to repay debt and shareholders. Thank you.